Imagine a future where the skies are filled not just with human pilots, but with intelligent, uncrewed jets flying side by side with the world's most advanced fighters. That future just got a step closer because Lockheed Martin has unveiled something truly groundbreaking: the Vectis, a new autonomous combat aircraft designed to work hand in hand with the F-35 stealth fighter. Before we go deep into this message, please make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon so you never miss a word of encouragement. Now, here's why this moment matters. Vectis isn't just another drone. It's a symbol of the new era of warfare, where machines can take on the riskiest missions, protecting pilots and expanding the power of air forces worldwide. Built by Lockheed's legendary Skunk Works team, this uncrewed jet is designed for missions like electronic warfare, intelligence gathering, precision strikes, and even defending against enemy aircraft, all while flying alongside the F-35 and potentially the F-22. Its modular, open architecture design means it's not locked into one system. That gives it the flexibility to adapt and carry technology from multiple sources, making it one of the most versatile platforms of its kind. What makes this even striking is that Lockheed says it will deliver best-in-class survivability at a cost of under $20 million, a fraction of what manned stealth jets cost today. And while key specs like engine type, speed, and payload remain classified, the design, a sleek, blended wing body with stealth shaping, suggests this aircraft is built to disappear into the skies while performing tasks that normally put pilots in harm's way. But here's the truth. As with every leap in military technology, questions remain about cost, integration, and whether it can truly deliver on its promises when the first prototype takes flight in the next 2 years. If it succeeds, the Vectis could change the balance of power in the skies, not only for the US, but for allies across the globe. This is more than just a machine. It's a glimpse into the future of air combat, where human courage is matched with artificial intelligence and survival depends on both working together.
If you liked our video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Stay connected with us and never miss an update.